is the Kaizer Chiefs we know. I-Chiefs edliwa week in week out elwela ukuba lapha ku top 9 eyona Kaizer Chiefs esiyaziyo le. I-Chiefs edliwa i-Orlando Pirates 3-0 iyo i-Chiefs esiyaziyo. I-Chiefs engena coach engena ama player i-Chiefs esiyaziyo. Mara fanakho izinto esizokhuluma ngazo kakhulu impact akasiphombule ku-Orlando Pirates between the Motaung and the Khoza family, which kids are doing a good job at actually maintaining the legacy of both clubs. Sivale lapho bafethu ngiphethe uNkulu Soccer mina ngumdusubeko ziyakhala. Kaizer Chiefs idliwe 3-0 yabuya yadliwa 1-0 akomnyama ebusweni benkawu. Nkuli awukhulume mfowethu.
Kunzima kakhulu bafowethu. Cabanga kumele sidefend iKaizer Chiefs every week, but i-biggest team ku South African football yabo ngoba vele history yazivumela ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs i-team enkulu. Ishawe Orlando Pirates 3-0 yashawe Richards Bay, coach abeka ama players yabheda, but into mina ngifuna ukuhlala kuyo kakhulu Orlando Pirates ngeke ithole i-league. Ama pretenders babambela iMamelodi Sundowns i-umbrella. Ubheke engasikudala bazoya phansi, but bona ngiyathanda ukuthi bayabonisa Nkosi yami hope lencane, but ke useful. Le impact yabo engekho useless. Ngeke bayiwin ileague.
Orlando Pirates noma ingahlala ingayiwin ileague ayibalekanga. Mame ayibalekanga. Bheka ayibalekanga le. Wena focus ukubuyela kwiposition yakho yaka number 9. Focus ekutheni Chiefs mele idliwe kanjani, idliwe kangakanani kuzibuyele lapha ya. Ngoba asakwazi ukumenshina iChiefs ne-win in the same breath. Asakwazi into esingasayazi khona manje. iKaizer Chiefs ayina striker, ayina defender, ayina midfield, ayina coach, ayina ball boy, ayina goalkeeper coach, ayina coaching structure, ayina abantu abasayina ama player, ayina sporting director, ayina kwa chairman. Khona manje iKaizer Chiefs the last time iChiefs yana chairman beyazi into yenza ifounder ye team uKaizer Motaung kwalokho kwasuka uKaizer lapha kwabamnyama ebusweni benkawu. Mtshele manje iplayer li1 kuKaizer Chiefs that has scored more than 10 goals ku Betway Premiership manje. Iplayer li1 leKaizer Chiefs elikela nominator for player of the season in the past 5 years. Manje iplayer leChiefs elikela kora an impactful goal ukuthi sonke sisakhuluma ngalona namhlanje ungangitsheli ngefinder kalilepho. One player yeKaizer Chiefs ongayibala bese ubeke umputito maswanganye ubeke noRilebuhile Mfukeng uthi in the past 5 seasons Low has had a better impact than ama player.
Okay, ngiyavuma bafethu ngiyavuma. Mithi ngivumelane nomdu this week. iOrlando Pirates izocompete but ngeke iwin ileague. Orlando Pirates idlala kangcono ngoba iya pretend. Ulilepho at the moment bafethu une goal of the month. Orlando Pirates angaze ngababona uRile Mfukeng bathola igoal of the month.
uRilebuhile Mfukeng une player of the month. Player of the month in 6 games, 3 assists, 3 goals, ama man of the match i3. iKaizer Chiefs even noma bangathi Chiefs iwine 5-0 akube ne player li1 elwina ne man of the match. iKaizer Chiefs noma ingadli team, le team edliwe yiyo still ezowina man of the match.
Ubalela ama man of the match wakuKaizer Chiefs this season. uMakhathi wina ama man of the match awu2 this season.
Asikhulumi ngezinto za last year. Asikhulumi ngezinto eza last year.
Mthetho una man of the match more than wonke ama players of Orlando Pirates. Ngicela ukuyiphinda lento. uOx Mthetho, uNyambose bafethu una man of the match more than wonke ama players weOrlando Pirates individually. Mawubona impact just ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs bafethu ayihlangani. Lokho ngiyakuvuma iKaizer Chiefs kunzima, ku difficult yabo. Kuyasinda kuyanyukela izinto hlangana but iKaizer Chiefs izo finisha ku number 5, iOrlando Pirates izofinishela ku number 2.
Kunomuntu ku social media oshilo wathi Kaizer Chiefs ifuna ukubuyela ku position yayo number 9. So whichever team is sitting at number 9 manje ku Betway Premiership ayibe careful ya team. Ubuyile Umthetho akadlisi badlalisa wonke lama player abadlisayo khona manje. Ukhona uMsimanga uready ukuthi coach siya ku number 9. Uyababona ama player we Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi they are all raising their hands khona manje. Flavio Da Silva ushaya ikarati lapho ready ukuya ku number 9. Ushama on goal. Aiden McCarthy offside asasebenzi. Uzamile against Richards Bay kuba offside ayisebenzanga. Uzamile against Orlando Pirates ukuba offside ayisebenzanga. Kaizer Chiefs is going back to isport sabo esibalekile number 9. Yabona lapho khona the only thing I guarantee you this season for Kaizer Chiefs because iToyota Cup icup lane eli useless anilithathanga. Nedbank Cup nihlulekile ukuyidefend. iCAF leben libele nisimemezela sise Africa nibuyile nidlale 2 weeks nje nini iCAF senibuyile. Na ku Betway Premiership title contenders yabona lapho khona sikwazi nokunifaka. The only thing I can guarantee you this season Kaizer Chiefs supporters ngimameleni kahle. Amakhosi for lunch the only thing I can guarantee you this season number 9. Leyo yona definitely and you are doing a very good job at securing that number 9 spot kwi league.
Sithemba ukuthi izinto zizoshintsha. Asazi ukuthi zizoshintsha kanjani but isithemba ukuthi izinto zizoshintsha ukuthi bazokwazi ukusurvive lapha nabafana at least bafinishe ku number 5. Ihope ayikho nakimi noma ngibheka bafethu ngiyabona ukuthi kunzima kakhulu. But ke as for umuntu ofinishes number 2 no number 14 bayafana. Number 2 number 14 bayafana because we're chasing one thing. Sonke we're chasing iBetway Premiership angitsho.
Number 14 akaya yodlala iCAF. Unumber 14 akana neplayer eli1 elizohamba liyodlala iWorld Cup kulonyaka. Ngisho no number 9. Yabona abantu abafanayo. Number 9 and number 14 bayafana because they all failed. Unumber 14 akadlali iMTN8. Number 9 akadlali iMTN8. Ungangitsheli ngama player weswelela ba uthi Hugo Bruce vele une favoritism. Siyazi ukuthi uyamthanda uRicardo Goss. And iplayer eli1 lesiwelele doesn't determine ukuthi uthathe more than 5 players kuswelele. iKaizer Chiefs this season Brian Vumani, you are back to where you were last season. iKaizer Chiefs was better under Unabi than lama translator lawa.
So,
lama nithatha amadoda angakaza win league angakaza win cup. Yazi uCedric Kaizer ufike la inwele zakhe ziphelele beka trima sekazuba nempandla manje. uCoach Chiefs. Yazi zaphela inwele manje uCoach Chiefs. uPitso Msimani if uya lapha Chiefs uzoba nenhlanhleno ngoba vele sekashama Chiscop. Mhlawumbe uzawuluza nje complexion abe mnyama. No coach in their sober mind right now would want to go coach iKaizer Chiefs because ayikho into eyenzakalayo lapha. Akuna sporting director, akuna the only person alright oyenza umsebenzi wakhe kuChiefs udriver. Ayene abadriver bafikise stadium ngesikhathi. Everyone else makaxoshwe. Udriver kuphela osipanayo lapha.
No ngiyavumelana nawe yabo njengoba ngishilo ukuthi khona izinto engivumelana nawo ukuthi istructure se team asikho right, ziningi izinto kumele zishintshe lapha na eteamini. But mina ama pretenders ngeke ayikho into esingayi-argue nama fans weOrlando Pirates bafowethu. Ama fans weOrlando Pirates icoach iluze kayi 1 in 14 games bathi sonishisa siyazi ukuthi njimela kuphi. Ama fans weOrlando Pirates ingqondo zakamduni yazibona ubheke mabaluza next game kuyobe ngathi bafowethu ilo kusho iCountry iOrlando Pirates mayiluza ngoba ama fans wakhona wakwazi ukucabanga kahle. But ama fans weKaizer Chiefs anenkinga but bona bawes. Imagine ucoach uluza kayi 1 in 14 games sebaqala ukusheka ngoba bayazi ukuthi vele baya collapse njalo mekuwina megijinyiswa ileague le bangeke bayithole. If khona team engeke ithole ileague ngiyabheja bafowethu Orlando Pirates ngicela nisave le moment lene nibuyele kuyo. Orlando Pirates ngeke ithole iBetway Premiership ngomude ngeke ucabanga ukuthi uOrlando Pirates isana ama player u50 raba ungakho ama player bacabanga ukuthi bazowina ama ileague ngama players amaningi abawasana ileague iwinwa ngequality players. Orlando Pirates even ama fans
okhona ododi babantu ingeke iwine ileague. Mina all I can say what is Chiefs achieved this season. Orlando Pirates say winile ama trophy 2. And by the way, Orlando Pirates leya lokho akhuluma ngayo kangaka lokho abhiza ibalabala ngayo is on top of the league as we speak. iKaizer Chiefs this season angeke iqede ku top 8 for as long as kusadlala lo muthi weOrlando Pirates bayawulangazelela. Laba khona manje bayakhala nokuthi ngathi singawathola lamaqanda abadle 3-0 bekunama player i6 weKaizer Chiefs bekumela defend evidence Mahupa bambhekelela boba i6 evidence Mahupa walithatha walishanga phakathi. Ozuna Police udlula phakathi kwama player weChiefs i3 i1 umfuke ngemshange pass walishanga phakathi. Tsepang Muremi washanya long range kwadideke uFlavio da Silva angazi ukuthi enzela angazi noma bekazama ukushaya angazi bekajayiva lapha bese kacabanga le idali zamapiano ukuthi enzela la ngena yawina Orlando Pirates.
iKaizer Chiefs naye I don't think lama players afuna ukudlalela ocoach bafuna ngishilo ama players phela uBeKaizer Chiefs ine quality. Yabona mawubheka
iKaizer Chiefs ayina ama player. iChiefs ayina ama player.
iKaizer Chiefs inoLebohang Maboye. iKaizer Chiefs sibonisile uEthan Cheslet. iKaizer Chiefs inama players wabona ukuthi bangadlala lama players.
Kubeka phela ubale ngaphandle kwabaMaboye noEthan Cheslet kubeka phela ubale abantu futhi. Obani uMdusha Balala
khona bayangishaya good. Umshabela of form uzobuya ungawari
he was never on form. Ungaqamba manga uMdusha Balala was never on form. From the moment bamo promoter bamfaka kuKaizer Chiefs first team udlalela uVino Snaps. Akaze wadlala ukudlalela ukuthi madoda siyawina udlalela uVino Snaps. Umfundo Vilakazi udlalela uVino Snaps. Yabona iChiefs into abantswempu ngayo labafana igwijo. Ayigwijo bayishaya before igame bazongena balibele bacula bashaba zabalaza mase kumele kuzabalazwe fieldini bayadliwa. Don't lie to abantu. Kaizer Chiefs ayina ma player. Kaizer Chiefs ayina quality ayina depth. Lo Lebohang Maboye lo khuluma ngayo uhlulekile ku Sundowns wayedlalela team enkulu team ebalekile khona manje. I said last week every player mayiza ku Kaizer Chiefs I retirement destination. Umuntu ucabanga kahle ukuthi bafethu ithina minga retire ngingathiwanga ngidlalela ngeChiefs uya lapho. I wouldn't be shocked uthi kufatha umabasa makangaya khona na ukuthi ithi ngiyoziretire. Wonke umuntu ready for retirement uyahamba uya ku Kaizer Chiefs. Urilebukile mfuke ngizohamba overseas ashaya nabe right boy mawubuya hamba uyoretire ku Chiefs. Eyona ndawo right yokuretire because amanye ama team asirasa akusindawo yokuretire thina sikompetele izinto ezibalekile. If you want to retire go play for Kaizer Chiefs.
uLebohang Maboye better than wonke ama midfielders weOrlando Pirates wonke. Bheka nje yena equality lakhe eziplay player ulebo Maboyo unebhadi ukuthi ufika ku Kaizer Chiefs la engahlangene noma ungaletha uJose Mourinho right now ku Kaizer Chiefs ayikho into ezoba right because abafuna ukudlala as a collective as a team they don't want to die for i-badge wonke bafuna ukudlalela so ku difficult ukudefend i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu week in and week out but i-Kaizer Chiefs individually masingabheka ama players individually siyabona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ine quality than i-Orlando Pirates but they don't have ihanga ucabanga ukuthi unemtajela ngadlala ku Kaizer Chiefs
uphuphe emini mfethu
ucabanga unemtajela ngadlala ku Kaizer Chiefs
usiphombula
ngadlala ku Kaizer Chiefs ubani
benimfuna loyo siphombula leyo i-Chiefs beyimfuna nihlulekile ukumsayina akafunanga
ku Kaizer Chiefs
better than zonke better than umthethwa definitely better than umdushabalala better than umdushabalala mapha amagoli lo muntu udlale 100 games ku Chiefs ukora less than 20 goals how many games has Siphombule played for Orlando Pirates how many games has he played how many games has Umdu played for Kaizer Chiefs you can never compare Umdu number 1 in less than a season uSiphombule sakabuya kafukhona Umdu into angakaza ayibona leyo into angakaze ayibona leyo
ucoach bafana uyabona ke neOrlando Pirates uSiphombule bekanga deserve kuya ku AFCON if khona iscam ebholeni South Africa uSiphombule uphi manje uphi uSiphombule bathi ulahleke lapha naMstel Arena usemabhiyeni uSiphombule uphi asimboni bafethu edlala lo muntu lo cabanga ngithi ngiyambheka uSiphombule ngifaka amagazi ngiyambheka uSiphombule akekho uzodlala kuphi ku Kaizer Chiefs bengeka qualify maningi ama player ngeka qualify ku
yabona if bengeka qualify yes
onemtajela
because they are too much for the team bona labo nemtajela bandle 3-0 kule weekend balokhe bangasi quality bayigijimisile iChiefs onemtajela this past weekend balokhe bangasi quality ekhona lo Maboyo lekuthiwa uMabuya uNtswembu if uLebogang Mabuya uNtswembu why angayi ku World Cup because he's definitely not going to World Cup
ephakamisayo iOrlando Pirates bona ba strong as a team
Ozuna Police uHugo Bruce wambuyiza ekupulukwane City he uplifted the team alone uhlula yini uMabuya ukwenza lokho udlale edwa Ozuna Police ekupulukwane City baze bambiza kwi national team ekupulukwane City ingawini lutho ingawini macup ingawini ma-MTN wadlala Ozuna Police ungani angayenzi
lona we Golden Arrows uyayiphakamisa i-team but mawubheka around nakhona ama hard workers uKaizer Chiefs at the moment aweka ama hard workers akwazi
akona ama hard workers uFlavio Da Silva is working hard ukhahlela abantu uFlavio Da Silva is working hard ukudlisa i-team usebenza ngokuzikhandla lomjita to make sure ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs remains ku number 9 usebenza hard nyamthanda uFlavio Da Silva i-work rate yakhe i-right he's doing everything wrong for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ibe la ikhona yili play Kaizer Chiefs elideserve le Kaizer Chiefs fails to sign quality players alikho iplayer eSouth Africa khona manje elifisa ukudlalela iKaizer Chiefs kumanje ngisho uSiyanda Ndlovu mongathi kuyifuna kakuphi izofuna ukuba mnyama ngenkani noma uba yini
asikhulume ngeyitrack uthe ukhuluma ngoDa Silva ngithi uyambona uDa Silva umlahla kanjani umkhuluma kabi kanjani la sikhuluma ngestriker esinama goals better than istrikers zaku Orlando Pirates lezi ekuthiwa istrike wela singambali lo munye washanga mistake ubani umbuthuma uye kuphela better than yena in terms of ama goals but bheka uDiong ubheka uEvidence Makgopa ubheke nezinye istrike ezifile za Orlando Pirates azinayo impact la uDa Silva uDa Silva uyakwazi game move ku defender inkomo yenkosi inkosi yami
uEvidence
sebenza kanzima
uEvidence Makgopa ukore phambi kwama player i6 weChiefs ambhekelele walishaya ngaphakathi on top of that uEvidence Makgopa is an impact player mfake kuma game amakhulu wenza izinto ezinkulu wangena as a substitute for ibafana and scored the only goal against Cameroon uEvidence Makgopa akaze wathola i-yellow card for ukukhahlela umuntu eboxini uEvidence Makgopa akaze washaya own goal for Orlando Pirates evidence wonke ama goal okusalayo uyakho ngcono ngiqedelele kunokuthi yabona uEvidence Makgopa angeke umthola shaya offside akakhanyisa mayo angeke umthola shaya lama offside akakhanyisa uEvidence Makgopa akadlalela uEvidence Makgopa mamela
kwakho free kick
uEvidence Makgopa akadlalela uEvidence Makgopa akadlalela Instagram
goal elaka Evidence Makgopa out of 18 as striker ubona ukuthi striker esigood abamba ibhola ayithi please never neli1 but uyazibona lezo zinto ku Kaizer Chiefs
ngicela nikhipeni clip A1 uFlavio Da Silva athatha irun kuyi-cross from a throw in nohal alishaya ngaphakathi ukhipha ahluleke nokulibamba alihede uFlavio Da Silva ukora amachaisa Flavio Da Silva ukora amachaisa
Sirino umscorela olishanje ngithola olishanje ngekati ntona ubona ukuthi uflexible uDa Silva ufuneka lapha neboxing yakutshela uzowashaya amagoli ukuthi ama players
mele simupe nickname ethi Spider-Man Meli nickname yakhe kubo Spider-Man uFlavio da Silva ngoba uyi superhero edefendayo lapha emuva uhlala ready ukhahlela abantu. Ngimbone nangedabi lapha yana ngale yakhona kaMuremi njoba bekagijima lapha bekabhekile ukuthi ngiyokhahlela abantu manje. Kwasho ukuthi uMuremi ushaya shot la ngena ngaphansi kwenyawo kwayigoli. Udlise neteam. Flavio da Silva has never been an impactful player for Chiefs. Uke wanwinisa nini? Uke wangena nini the sub wakora an important goal. Uke wangena nini? Uke wangena nini lo muntu lona? Uke 4 goals in how many games?
Waswinela ama game
4 goals in how many games?
Okay bheka Mdu. Umdu ngiyamuzwa bafethu. iKaizer Chiefs inkinga yeKaizer Chiefs naye. Abo coach abekho ku Kaizer Chiefs asilikhulumeni iqiniso bafethu. Singazama ukukhuluma akunabo coach ku Kaizer Chiefs. There is no way ku big team efana neKaizer Chiefs kube nabantu abawu2. Yabo?
Cha isho kahle ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs icoach ama translator isho kahle futhi iKaizer Chiefs icoach ama translator asingene la yabona le yipoint ebaluleke kakhulu khona manje Khoza family versus Mutaung family Baba Ivan Khoza was the chairman eOrlando Pirates udlulisela kwingane zakhe ubaba uMtawu Kaizer Mtawu ngibeka ichairman yeKaizer Chiefs udlulisela kwingane zakhe kulaba boyi2 yibaphi abenza umsebenzi right eyibhene impact
iKaizer Chiefs say win ama league kangcono for the past 15 years. for the
Kaizer Chiefs is a team of the past. Each time you debate football nomuntu ofavor Kaizer Chiefs, ufuna ukubiza umlando. Orlando Pirates ayikhulumi ngomlando. Sikhuluma ngento yamanje. Why nikhuluma ngo 15 years ago ni win league bekusaphethe yena ubaba uKaizer. Mina ngithi ever since kwaphatha ingane zakhe, Kaizer Mutaung Junior, Jessica Mutaung noBobo Mutaung, iKaizer Chiefs iachieve kuphethe laba bayi3.
Nedbank Cup. Biggest cup competition
NEP we futhi iNedbank Cup le NEP we futhi iKaizer Chiefs by the way ya racer ithi sign Ozuna Police baphakama ngamasutu abo bakokota eminyango wePulukwane City Ozuna Police iPulukwane City yavala umnyango bafika abafana bakakhoza bakokota bathi sicela police iPulukwane City yathi with pleasure ngoba meka ku Pirates lo muntu siyazi ukuthi uyodlala amakhapha abalekile uyo contender for ileague he'll know what it's like ukwina loyo Ozuna Police the same Ozuna Police wathi meka dlala neKaizer Chiefs wathi ngicela uqala washaya igoli wayibonisa lo Chiefs ukuthi bengayifuni
Orlando Pirates basayina ama players ayicoach bafethu singaboshwa la ba ama gangster kushiwo kanjalo akusiyimi kusha abantu kuthiwa bakubambele ekhoneni bathi yabona sign wena mfana la because iKaizer Chiefs ya offer imali better than iOrlando Pirates for Ozona Police but Ozona Police iPulukwane City ngoba inebudlelwane ngoba ine relationship neOrlando Pirates ba choose ukuthi ayodlalela iOrlando Pirates adlalele ibadge umfana maka retire kusasa uzoba broke uretire namhlanje uba broke kusasa but if beka choose iKaizer Chiefs ngabe usethu umfana for the next 20 years
Yeah, ngabe usethu umfana for the next 20 years ehleli ku number 9 ku league. Ngabe usethu umfana for the next 20 years engawini lutho. Ngabe usethu umfana for the next 20 years edlala nama player adlala ikarate abangachieve 4 goal. Kube nakubafana bafana kasayi nokuya kubu Hugo Bruce sekazi umkhohliwe kumanje Ozona Police if wahamba waya ku Kaizer Chiefs. Into mina engingakutshela yona manje ngingakupha yona as a fact ukuthi Orlando Pirates know how to negotiate better deals than iKaizer Chiefs when it comes to ama player because every player right now in South Africa if ukudlalela bafana if ufuna ama scouts overseas you either play for Orlando Pirates or you play for Mamelodi Sundowns which player right now ngaphandle kwa Yusuf Mart osibonayo naye nje ukuthi bese akakhathele iKaizer Chiefs iChiefs bese ifuna ukumrelease desperately yabona ukuthi ahamba mfana uyela uyodlala khona which player kulama team lawo oyi2 khona manje have players who are playing in better leagues who are making better money overseas Orlando Pirates Orlando Pirates
ukhona ohambiswa
Orlando Pirates is making more money than uMahungkotha no is making more money than uMbekezeli Mbokazi no is he gonna make more uRilebuhile Mfuke ngama team amfunayo ba offer about 20 million to Orlando Pirates but because Orlando Pirates is such a big institution and they want the best for their players but you can't pay us that much for a player lintswembu kanje mangakokota team manje yathi baphethe 50,000 bafuna umdusha balala with pleasure mangafika team manje yathi phethe 25,000 umfundo Vilakazi uyahamba and if iKaizer Chiefs bakwazi ukusayina ama player better than Orlando Pirates why bangasayina ama player ne impact bafuna ama reject
I think
why banga promote sicela la when was the last time Kaizer Chiefs promoted a player from development DDC to first team then yahamba yo represent bafana yakhe ayenza kanini le nto le
ukubafana bafana
ukubafana bafana mamela mfowethu masikubiza in game lalela masikubiza in games that don't matter you don't even consider that a cap angithi nithe nina
perform abantu beKaizer Chiefs abo Peterson abo bani aba select manje Hugo Bruce akazothola vele excuse ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ay perform at the moment angaba select abafana but there was a
Why
time
mela
there
select
was a time
umuntu
la
odlalela i-team elinumber
ba deserving ukuthi abafana babe khona lapha kubafana akaba selectanga waselecta uBosipho Mbuli ngoba unobudlelwane neOrlando Pirates simazi ukuthi uHugo Bros ufuna ukuretire kuOrlando Pirates noma unani neOrlando Pirates but iqiniso lithi bafethu beyikhona besikhona isikhathi lama players weKaizer Chiefs amanye deserve kuba lapha kubafana but they chose otherwise indaba ke ukuthi obana ba run team better I think ebeKaizer Chiefs abantwana bakaMtaung ba run iKaizer Chiefs better than abaku Orlando Pirates ngicela uyichaza lento before abantu bangidla
awuyahlekisa
so mawubheka uJessica ne uJessica umake sure ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs is bigger than football itself yabo iKaizer Chiefs all over the place wenza umsebenzi wakhe kahle kakhulu uJessica mawubheka in terms of ukugenerate income for iKaizer Chiefs singaba blame in terms of groundini ukudlala kwaba ama results but ukurana i-team ukuthi ibe prolific bafethu into important imali ukuthi usebenza ema dustbinini usebenza kuphi khona abantu abagqoka amasuti kodwa bahola i3000 khona umuntu osebenza ema dustbinini but uhola 20000 so Kaizer Chiefs kanjalo ke i-team bakwazi ukuyipositiona ngendaba eright ukuthi ba generate imali eserious but ama results ose groundini siyavuma lapho ke basemuva abafana bakaMtaung but in terms of ibrand ne impact ne power they are bigger than wonke ama teams wafethu ku Southern Hemisphere.
Ngithemba baleleli niyamuza umfowethu ukuthi udidekile. Stay away from lento lomjida idlayo. Lento lomjida idlayo ingozi. Number 1 akafikanga ku matric, number 2 khona nje lento la yakayidlayo engalunganga. Abafana bakakhoza when it comes to marketing bhekana ama deal Orlando Pirates ewasayinile. Amstel
Akuseyo Orlando Pirates.
Ngitedele uyayibona ama supporter we Chiefs ayafana nale yanje emnyama lehamba lapha ya. Ama supporter Chiefs ayafana nale yanje emnyama lehamba la. Ngitedele nqede. Bafethu umetric kubalekile. iAmstel eye Pirates.
Management Orlando Stadium.
iAmstel Pirates. If I say Pirates, why did Amstel announce a relationship with Orlando Pirates before Orlando Stadium? If I say Pirates, why Amstel bame mabantu bati sienza launch a new sponsorship ye Amstel for Orlando Pirates before skuluma nge Amstel Arena? But that okay. Respect me enough to land, Lindo. Ngithi mina. If iOrlando Pirates ne Amstel ubudlelwano obe stadium management ungani iAmstel yathi yona we have a relationship no Orlando Pirates, they became the prime sponsor se Orlando Pirates iAmstel and kungani yabona bafethu
using Orlando Pirates as the face because they bring the numbers but into ifuna wena stadium because you see abantu 20,000-40,000 lapha neOrlando baya iMcDonald beyikhona laphana but bengayisport iOrlando Pirates angithi
lalela nkulu
ngifuna abantu ba understand
lento si understand lento sisho imele ukuthi abantu ba understand ebalekile. Listen to mamela lento ngishoyo. iAmstel is a sponsor se Orlando Pirates. Black Label is a sponsor ku Kaizer Chiefs. iAmstel is a sponsor ku Orlando Pirates. Amstel launched a sponsorship deal ne Orlando Pirates. Go Google it now. Amstel launched a sponsorship deal ne Orlando Pirates. It's in point yam and then number 2 it's in the puzzle lam. Yabona bafethu debate ibhola nama 2000 angafundanga isikole. iOrlando Pirates iphethe iAmstel. Orlando Pirates iphethe iSuzuki. That's marketing. iOrlando Pirates ikhulunywa ngayo all over. Uchairman uIvan Khoza kwathiwa that day iPirates ilauncha ipartnership yabo neAmstel. Waze washo wathi this team is bigger than the Springboks in terms of numbers, in terms of following, in terms of being known all over the country. Sesiqedile kwi marketing siza kwi management of the brand of the team khona manje. Orlando Pirates isign ama player are impactful. Orlando Pirates signs leaders. That's why noma bathi uNkosinathi Sibisu limele, there's a leader that can continue to lead the team. Naloyo makangalimala, there's another leader that can continue to lead the team. Uyabona ukuthi abafana bakaBabukhoza basayina izinto ezicacile lapha kuOrlando Pirates. You look now kwi technical team ye Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates has a solid goalkeeper coach. Orlando Pirates has conditioning coaches lapha kuOrlando Pirates abalekelela ama player ngeconditioning yabo. Orlando Pirates inama analyst abakwazi ukustudisha i-team from defense all the way to attack. That is why Oksala but Oksalayo the Khosas are doing a better job than the Mutaungs.
Okay.
Yabona the only thing I give Abo Mutaung yon ila mazimba lawo ya.
Okay,
yabona
ufuna ukubuyela kule ndaba?
lamazimba lawo ya awona ukwadla siyawadla ngoba mnandi iKaizer Chiefs phela siyidla yonke indawo
Asikhulumeni
man
iqiniso.
siyidla ngapha sidle ngapha sidle yonke indawo
Okay, uIvan Khoza angifuna sivale kule nto le bafuna ukuthi ni understand from inside lami ne. uIvan Khoza lento ayikhuluma ukuthi iOrlando Pirates is bigger than iSpringboks eSouth Africa. Alright, eSouth Africa kuphela but globally iSpringboks 100 times bigger than iOrlando Pirates because iRugby World Cup ibukelwa aba billions emhlabeni. So istatement sakhe bekasho nje ukuthi apromote iOrlando Pirates. Ayikho lento le bekayisho moya ebheka kahle. Kwenzeka kanjani abantu ababukelwa ama billion nomuntu obukelwa abantu abayi 10 million abe bigger than umuntu obukelwa ama billion. Why ama Springboks mawabize squatini just nge-test bathola bo 115 whatever 115,000 yabo so imali serious why ba ama millionaires labafana be rugby compared to abantu abahola 30,000 ku Orlando Pirates so ayikho lento beyisho uDr Ivan Khoza ngiyamrespect as a businessman or umuntu uthatha Orlando Pirates wayebeka esiqongweni but ayikho yonke lento le asibuyele lento stadium management iAmstel isponsor ini approaching iPirates approach hours after iye kulo ku stadium management abantu aba own FNB aba own Orlando ukuthi bafuna ukuba sponsor ilo yathi kudlala iOrlando Pirates lapha neOrlando Stadium khulu ideal ifuna ukuinclude neOrlando Pirates because ihome ground yabo bancengiswa ke lapho they bring the numbers yes it makes sense for iAmstel ukuthi ibe ne deal neOrlando Pirates but akusho ukuthi iOrlando Pirates in terms of marketing better than Kaizer Chiefs ayikho even 50% of Kaizer Chiefs
balaleli ngicela ukuexplaina sicela ukuexplaina the partnership between Orlando Pirates neAmstel mawusazi isilungu Amstel Lager and Orlando Pirates FC have entered a 3-year, 280 million partnership, naming the club as the official partner of the brand. Akhulunywa nge-stadium, naming the club as the official partner of the brand. This deal succeeding calling Black Label. I-Black Label bekuyi-sponsor se-Orlando Pirates. I-Amstel is taking over from i-Black Label. I-Amstel is the official sponsor for the next 3 years. Part of the deal, i-Amstel yayo-negotiate ne-stadium management can we use Orlando Amstel Arena as igama elisha because i-team esiyisponsayo idlala la. But unfortunately, Kaizer Chiefs can't do that ne-calling Black Label because i-FNB iyaphethe lapha eSoccer City. Maybe ningayenza le Peter Mokaba because Kaizer Chiefs inkulile mayidlalela le kula stadium nyana lawa aswaka. Don't be jealous. Orlando Pirates marketing is better than Kaizer Chiefs. Orlando Pirates sporting director is doing a better job than his sporting director se Kaizer Chiefs.
I-Amstel isponsor iOrlando Pirates for 3 years, 250 million rand.
280 million rand. Point of correction. 280 million rand. Not 250.
Okay,
200 ibize kahle isho nami 200.
Okay.
Isho nami
200. Right. Okay, fine.
Isho 200.
Okay, right.
Shono nami 280 million.
Okay, uthi umdu 280 million. Uzi ukuthi le deal leni ukuthi injani. I-sponsor is important ku-Orlando Pirates nazo zonke i-bonds i-Vodacom. I-Vodacom inimiki i-Orlando Pirates 100 million every season, yabo, noma ngisithi every year. So bona banyonyo baya ku-Amstel bocela imali less than ya Vodacom. Then uzibuze ukuthi le deal ibenefita bani? Deal ibenefita iOrlando Pirates noma ibenefita i-stadium management. Seyenza isense ukuthi le deal le akuse iOrlando Pirates direct. Yes for imedia bazoyisebenzisa iOrlando Pirates. Asimove lapho mntu. Ngeke hlale endabeni zabo iOrlando Pirates abantu lento le abayi-understand.
Simove sekuphi asingene la Tito Maswanganye impact yakhe
udodi weplayer uTito Maswanganye ushaye ukora ama deflection ayi2 bamcelebrate bamse deflection Nkosi yami obeyakwazi ukulibamba ugoalkeeper phela makuyi deflection yes yena uyawathola ama results for iOrlando Pirates into ebalekile ukuthi athole ama results for iOrlando Pirates but scam ulibheka iplay yakhe lo muntu udlalela iCrowd. There was a big moment la bamba ibhola jika nalo kumele ashaya through pass.
Lalela that big moment wajika ama player we Chiefs i2
ucabanga ukuligibela ufuna ukudlala isiJomoson ucabanga ukuthi uzothola inumber 10 kaJomoson ngeke ucabanga ukuligibela ileague izowina ngegoal difference. Orlando Pirates neck and neck neMamelodi Sundowns une player eli useless elifana noTito Maswanganye yabona ukuthi uTito Maswanganye useless kanjani no replace umuntu ongadlali na permanent or njalo lapha na Orlando Pirates uSipho Mbuli kubafana bafana iplay eline impact lelo ucabanga ukuthi ngicela uvala amehlo nami cabanga iBetway Premiership uTito Maswanganye ayiphethe bafowethu icabanga lento le for 3 seconds awuyibona ngisho kumnyama Yeah, yes.
Tito Maswanganyi is definitely better than Umdusha Balala. Tito Maswanganyi is better than Flavio da Silva. Tito Maswanganyi is better than Mfundo Villagazo. Tito Maswanganyi ngedabi under pressure ma player wethu awe Chiefs agijima abantu bayompressa washaya magic 10 enzana ama player Chiefs adlula ngathi inkuku ezingena enhloko. Tito Maswanganyi came on as a sub against iPulukwane City, scored an important goal ku far post. Into esingakaze sabona istriker se Chiefs siyenza uFlavio da Silva. Tito Maswanganyi akaze wakora igoli eli offside. Tito Maswanganyi akaze kwathi umuntu sekakora wafika walithinta bese kwaba offside. Tito Maswanganyi is one of the best players in this country, one of the most skillful, one of the most creative, one of the most impactful players la South Africa. Tito Maswanganyi
bekangekho ku AFCON
bekabuya ku injury. He was just like uThemba Zwane makusondela isikhathi AFCON Tito Maswanganyi bekabuya ku injury. Masingathatha ama stats we Chiefs yonke manje sahlanganisa no Tito. Tito has won and achieved more than iKaizer Chiefs yonke ihlangene. Tito Maswanganyi khona manje mekungathi uya retire apply lo msebenzi as a coach, he stands a better chance of coaching a team better than ama coach weKaizer Chiefs ahlangene manje. Tito Maswanganyi would make better tactical decisions than ama coach weChiefs ahlangene khona manje. Tito Maswanganyi amagola wakorayo ane impact, ama chance awa creator Tito Maswanganyi ane impact. Usi uFlavio da Silva uFlavio okay sharp for games. uFlavio da Silva ukakorigo ibhola kwine post liphuma as a cross washaya itapini sike sambona cha ukora ama goal amchayisayo. uFlavio da Silva into akayenza ushaya ikarati kuphela nje lapha emuva.
Washaya ihead esingakaze siyibone ku Betway Premiership.
Yes, because washaya ihead nini ama supporter weChiefs eningakaze nayibona because into ningajwayelanga. Anijwayelanga ukora ama goal, anijwayelanga ukuthi kube ne strike escore ama goal. So istrike ama score ama goal ni celebrate for the whole year because into ningajwayelanga. Orlando Pirates week in week out we see beautiful goals. Igoal la ka Cameron Denson sesize sikhohliwe ngalo. Nina nisaloke nibabaza igoal la ka Lilepo kumanje. Sikhohliwe ngegoal, sikhohliwe ngegoal la ka Mfukeng ethatha ama defender amaningi alishanga phakathi. Khona manje celebrate le head ayishayile. Sikhohliwe about the beautiful goals that Tito has scored for Orlando Pirates. Khona manje si celebrate the recent goal. When was the last time he played le Kaizer Chiefs scored a brace?
A praise.
Yeah, amagola ayi2. Oh, uhluleka nokuphendula. Uhluleka nokuphendula. When was the last time he played the Chiefs like creates more than 2 goals in one game?
Umdusha Balala washaya man of the match.
Nini when was that?
Mbize squad in March
uzwa ukhuluma ngento ya last year. Mina ngikhuluma ngento ya kulonyaka.
Ukhona into ementionile la ukhulume ngabo Denson. Sengibonile khona into engicabangile bafowethu lapha emakhaya. iKaizer Chiefs iOrlando Pirates imosha ama careers wabafana abancane. uDenson bamnika opportunity uyashaya umfana usambonise kama grandstand. uThep ulona ubani uSlepe naye akadlali this season but was promising naye career yakhe. But ke basayina ama player u40 ku position one. Uyabona ukuthi Orlando Pirates kahle ayiba improve ama player wabo. iOrlando Pirates ngaba ne strike esiba top goal scorer namhlanje or this season, next season balathi strike ezu4 bheka ama player bawalethile ku position eyodwa. And then ungitshele ukuthi why would impactful player from another team aye ku Orlando Pirates abeyazi kahle ukuthi ku same position kunamadoda ayi7 same position.
Orlando number 1 coach Abdesla Mowadu is a very sober coach. He's not a translator. Akazanga la South Africa ukuzolelekelela omunye umuntu ngomsebenzi wakhe uzela kuzosebenza. Cameron Denson is too young to play at this stage of the league. There's a lot of pressure. Orlando Pirates ifuna ukwini league uthatha umfana omncane uyamlahlela khona manje. It's not safe for him to play him khona manje. Mamelodi Sundowns is doing the exact same things. They have a lot of young players ababa promotile abangabadlalisi, but they're holding on to the senior players because we are competing for the league. They are competing for a KF. iKaizer Chiefs any player efikayo mele idlale because there's no player that's playing well. Ngisho nami ngisidudla ngingaka nginomkhaba manga Kaizer Chiefs khona manje bazongifaka. They are forced to play me because they are looking for a player that can change the situation. Cameron Denson needs to earn his place. Silepe needs to earn his place. Every player Orlando Pirates mela compete in a place yakhe. That's the definition of depth. Orlando Pirates has so much depth that every player mele as prove ukuthi I am worth to play khona yo team khona manje. iKaizer Chiefs every week there's a new player playing. Ushinga wenzeni next week yodlala uMakho, next week yodlala uMlungu Cross. The way iKaizer Chiefs say useless ngakhona balaleli nibonile iSuperSport yenzeni bathi nabakhiphela yena Pupulo Modi bamname as uBradley Cross. Sebayasibonisa manje ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs iswag, asisazi nobuso bama player, asisazi nokubaleka kwama player. You will never make a mistake like that ku Orlando Pirates. Ubone baveze ulibone siyama bese baveze isithombe saka Andile Jali. But ku Kaizer Chiefs we make those mistakes because ama player wakhona asawazi. Yena loyo Pulo Modi loyo is playing for Kaizer Chiefs for the past 5 seasons. Uwineni unani wenzeni for a team.
upule modi bafowethu iplayer of the tournament ku Nedbank Cup into engenzekanga ku Orlando Pirates. Best player ku Nedbank Cup. Yes, akekho useful this season siyavuma bafowethu, but iKaizer Chiefs iziningi izinto ngizoyibamba la. kuKaizer Chiefs iziningi izinto kumele zishintshe ukuthi ama player iziningi izinto kumele kuhamba ama player 20 something, but ke sithemba ukuthi next season kuzoba right.
Ngithemba nizwele balaleli bekunzima ukuthi umlandeli weKaizer Chiefs namhlanje ameli team yakhe. Wenze konke kusemandleni wakhe ukuthi akhulume ngezinto zakudala ngoba kumnyama ebusweni benkawu. Orlando Pirates ifikile yathi 3, Richards Bay yafika yathi 1. Ngaphambi kwalokho Stellenbosch FC beyifikile yathi 2-1. Mina angeke ngize ngidebate nomuntu olweli number 9 whilst mina ngileli league. Mina nalo muntu lo asilingani. Mina nalo muntu lo asilingani. Mina angeke ngize ngidebate nomuntu abantu abafavor Chiefs bayifavor ngenkani. Ama 2000 afavor Chiefs this year by favor because baforstiwe endlini ukuthi hey la ekhaya sifavor Kaizer Chiefs, kodwa esikoleni abafana nabakhuluma ngebhola bakhuluma ngePirates, bakhuluma ngomfukeng, bakhuluma ngoDancing, bakhuluma ngoThembazwane, abakhulumi ngomduduzi shaba
uCameron Dancing.
That one goal yakhe is better than every other goal umduduzi Shabalala has scored in the past 5 years.
Check ama numbers online azontshela ukuthi uba iliphi igoli elifamous iliphi elingekho famous. Check the numbers bafowethu. Ngingalalela umuntu ngoba uzonilahlekisa. Uyakwazi vele ukudeceive abantu. Mamlalele kakhulu uzolahleka nawo. But iKaizer Chiefs sithemba ukuthi bazokwazi bafowethu ukuqhubeka benze kangcono. Maybe baxoshe labo coach laba because kunzima ukudefend iKaizer Chiefs bafowethu, but i-team enkulu le. Ngaphandle kweKaizer Chiefs ibhola lase-South Africa liya collapse, abantu balala ngendlala.
Bafethu, Kaizer Chiefs is moving back to their favorite position. Bayalwa, bayafukuza abafana, benza konke kusemandleni wabo ukuthi baqede ku number 9. Siyabonga.